Come see this extremely well cared for Northport home on nearly an acre of land. Situated on 3 lots, this home is perfect for buyers that want to add a detached garage, have a larger yard or to just enjoy a private oasis. 9 feet 4 inches ceilings, split bedrooms and an open floor plan make for a very comfortable setting. Interior has been recently painted. The primary suite has large walk-in closet and fantastic newly remodeled bathroom with soaker tub, walk-in shower, dual sinks and separate toilet room. The current owners have added open cell spray foam insulation in the attic as well as sound insulation in the interior walls around all 3 bedrooms. The garage has also been insulated in the exterior block walls, attic and garage door. Other features include newer appliances, complete ring security system with sensors on every window and door, newer AC and water heater, 6 smart light switches and 1 smart thermostat, 6 inches seamless gutters around entire house, custom shelving in bedrooms and hurricane shutters around the entire home. Located in an area of newer homes and convenient to shopping, restaurants, schools and beaches.